this video, we are going to learn how to find the angles of a pie chart using proportion. The number of students in the various CCA groups are represented in the pie charts below. Uniform groups is represented by 144 degrees, performing arts is represented by 72 degrees, and sports is represented by 90 degrees. Calculates the angle of the sector representing clubs. We know that the total angle in a circle is 360 degrees, and if we take away 90 degrees for sports and take away 144 degrees for uniform groups and we take away 72 degrees for performing arts, that will give us the remaining angle for clubs. And if we calculate the angle, it will be 54 degrees. Next, we are now going to use proportion to find the number of students in uniform groups. If there are 165 students in sports, how many students are there in uniform groups? We know that sports is represented by 90 degrees in the pie charts, and so 90 degrees is 165 students. How many students will it be for 144 degrees? So there's this shortcut method where we can find the number by first dividing and then we multiply. So we'll start with this number here. So we'll use 144 divide by 90 times 165, and that will give us 264 students. For the uniform group. Next, we are asked to find the number of students in performing arts. Once again, we have 90 degrees representing 165 students, because this is what was given for sports. And in performing arts, we have 72 degrees. So once again, we can first divide and then we multiply by the numbers as a shortcut method to find the answer for proportion. So we have 72. Okay, so first we divide by 90 and then we multiply by 165. Evaluating this, we will have 132 students. Finally, we are asked to find the number of students in total. So once again, we have 165 students represented by 90 degrees. And we know that in total, we have how many degrees in a circle? So the total angle will be 360 degrees. So how many students will be 360 degrees? So you realize that if we multiply by 4, we will get 360. So we can also multiply by 4 here. And that will give us 660 students. Another way is to use the previous method that we have used. So we have 90 degrees represented by 165 students. So 360 degrees is how many students? So we can first divide. So 360 divided by 90, and then we multiply. This will give us the same answer of 660.